You don't know anything about substance. You pop in and out of this place as if you are running things. But I am writing a letter to the board about your tardiness and your lack of support.
And that's supposed to scare me? Let me tell you this. I can write letters too. Right. Hey you. How was your day been? No, I'm at it again with this witch. No, not today. I'm going to work out. Listen, can you fast track that thing that we were talking about? Yeah, just check to see who really owns this place. Okay. Wait, what? No, that wasn't on her resume. Thanks for that information. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Hello? Yes, I'll see you when I get there. Okay, I'll talk to you later. See you in a bit.
Sanders, is Miss Brissett?
I think she went on the road to collect something for the Mother's Day show.
Oh, okay.
Chris? 1 minute. What's the deal with you, Miss Brissett Antonian?
Yeah, Josh. You ready? Yeah, I'm there. I just reached my parking lot. I come upstairs with now. Alright.
What do you mean?
Like, are you guys related? I mean, I just find it strange that all three of you came on board at the same time and neither of you would take the job if the other wasn't employed.
I think all of us, we work together as a team. What's strange about that?
That's why I'm asking for context. I mean, why is she so protective of you both?
She helped me to some tough parts, and she steer me in the right way.
And why did she need to steer you guys in the right way? I mean, you used to work at Water Commission and Tony and usually have a shop, so.
And Miss Brissett get the job for we now. She always a check up on we. Fair thing that.
Oh, so like a mother figure thing.
You can't say that. Our big sister.
Okay. So, okay.
You have to go this cut of the same thing.
So, what brought you guys together?
Miss Sanders, this sound like an interrogation.
Really? That's sad. Sad that you don't know the difference between interrogation and conversation.
So you're saying this is a conversation.
Yes, it is. It is, Chris.
My bad, but the truth is, you don't really want conversation unless it's work related.
So you're saying that I'm antisocial?
Yeah, most of the time.
Wow, that's direct.
You know, I understand the levels between boss and worker, but I think you can make yourself more approachable.
But I am when I need to be. It's just I have to be firm to get this place to run the way it's supposed to. But I keep running into resistance.
From who? Not me.
Hey Johnny, what's up? Yeah, man. Alright, so I need you to do an ad for the show for me. Yeah, about 30, 45 minutes. 45 seconds, sorry. Only that about minutes. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. And me need you to talk about it on your show too. Because you know we're going all out with that show, yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah, man, we talk. Cool.
No, as a matter of fact, you are one of the easy ones to deal with.
So Miss Brissett and Tonian, difficult to deal with?
Tonian is youthful exuberance. She just needs a little discipline. And Miss Brissett, she's just falling into that witch's trap.
Witch's trap? Hold on. Miss Prendergast, I thought?